Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete draft post on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. Now go ahead, access Instagram up on your mobile phone. Now right over here, simply go ahead, tap on this plus icon given in the bottom. Once you have done so, this is how it's gonna appear, right? So you can see if you have added drafts on Instagram, this drafts option gonna appear beside the reasons. Go ahead, tap on it, and now you're gonna find your draft post. Now if you would like to simply delete it, you're gonna tap on this option of manage right over here, tap on this option of edit, and simply go ahead, select that particular draft of yours, tap on done, and tap on this discard posts. And there you go, you will be able to remove your draft post from Instagram just like that. So that is basically it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.